Introducing the Keyboard Pro with Numpad in SOLIDWORKS, your ultimate time-saving companion. Your tools at your fingertips. With 12 customizable keys and an intuitive on-screen display, access essential SOLIDWORKS commands instantly. The programmable 3Dconnexion keys adapt to your environment, displaying assigned commands that speed up your design process. The on-screen display lets you know which commands are assigned at all times for each environment. Use the numpad and mouse simultaneously for a faster, smoother workflow. No more constant shifts between mouse and keyboard. Discover the Keyboard Pro with Numpad now.